I recently got some brand new lures and baits, so comment down below if you've used any of them and if you've had any luck. First up, we've got some Rapala Shad Wraps, two in bluegill, so one is the more classic Rapala look, and the other one is a more hyper-realistic bluegill feature. And then a largemouth bass shad wrap as well. All of these are made out of balsa wood, so maybe less more durable than plastic crankbaits. But we've also got some original floaters in pike, walleye, and rainbow trout, and then those were 3 inches long. And then we've got some smaller ones in rainbow trout and brown trout. And we've got a Berkeley Flicker Shad in the Featherhead Minnow color. Now, I've never actually used one of these before, but I find empty packages of these along the riverbank all the time, so people use them quite a bit. And we've got a Berkeley Slobber Knocker, which is basically just a bladed jig like a chatterbait, but this has a scented skirt to it, and I also like how it has a printed weight on the bottom. Now, I don't know if the scented skirt actually matters or not, so it'll be interesting to see. These are normally about $12, but I got this one on sale for $5 instead. We've got some rainbow trout Gary Yamamoto Yamasenkos, so got kind of a green glitter on top and then a purple bottom. So I'm curious to see how that colorway will do. We've got some Gookin Baits Tasty Tubes, so these are like tiny tube jigs that you would use for crappie and panfish and other smaller species of fish. Now, what I found interesting about these is that these were not hollow. These were filled out all the way, so I don't know if that'll make them more durable or not compared to others. So it'll be interesting to see. This is the natural color, so kind of a green top and a silver bottom. And we've got some Berkeley Mac Scent Chigger Craws. So these were like $9 for the package, so pretty expensive. I have not fished with Mac Scent before, but apparently it's supposed to be a lot stronger than power bait. So we will see. This was in a blue and green colorway. And then we've got some Berkeley Champ Craws just in the green pumpkin. Well, I'm excited to use these this spring and summer. So make sure you subscribe if you want to see these in action.